Hi everyone, my name is Jiangnan. You can call me Harry. It's better to remember. I think I'm very happy to choose the OB class. I learned a lot of things from this class. There's two things I remember most deeply. One is there's a totally of 9 characteristics. Each of them is totally different. I'm a 4 characteristics, and they call artists. Even I think I'm not an artist. When I did something on force, I like to pursue unique and real things. I think I can use the two things to good well. When I have a job again, I think I can use them unique and do good job. And the product that I promoted have become the top products in the industry, I think though. Another thing is I learned the communication is very important for team. When I'm in the team, the member come from different country, totally different. Some people they even know don't know the Chinese. Different languages have become the biggest obstacle. However, the teamwork and the timely communication cannot be lost. So I use my poor English and text message to communicate with a team member and keep information shared. Whether it is now or after work, communication with a colleague and your boss in timely method so as to maintain efficient work. Thank you.